uKaunda wabhala ekhasini lakhe lukaFacebook ukuthi ukweseka kukaZuma kwakubonakala kahle kufanele akhululwe ejele. Uphikile-ke ukuthi lokhu kwabe kuphehla udlame.
Are you cognizant of the fact that as a public figure, your statements or Facebook posts have a significant impact on social discourse?
Yes, I do. That is why I always take cognizance of the fact that whatever I post, it should not instigate violence. So here in my statement, there's nothing that instigates violence. Instead, I've been calling for calm. I do not think that my statements added on what transpired, because this statement has been said even in 2005. It's not a new statement.
uKaunda uthe akazange abe nobudlelwane siqu nalo wayengumengameli kodwa umthathe njengomngani.
Do you think this was a responsible thing to do as a public figure who also holds public office?
Once you isolate this post, there will be something big wrong there. But once you also include this post and beyond this, the post which I've been posting as an individual leader, which is to calm people down. Even prior to some of the incidents, the statements I've made here on the 6th of July, we're saying let us not also allow people who are opportunists to hijack the call. Because when you're a leader, you traverse a terrain where sometimes if there's nothing wrong that people are saying, we must acknowledge it. There's nothing wrong of freeing Zuma, as there was nothing wrong of Zuma must fall. So there's nothing wrong at all. Because there were those who said Zuma must fall, there's now those who are saying free Zuma. So I don't see anything unbecoming. But if you look at this statement in isolation, you may then view it as something which insulted violence.
Isicawu siyaqhubeka.